Have you ever noticed? Time comes to us every single day, but we waste it every single day, and one day, time leaves us. This is the story of Ali. Ali was an ordinary man, not lazy, not hardworking either. Just someone who always said, "I'll do it tomorrow." Tomorrow. That never came. He woke up late, delayed his work, and every night he told himself, "I'll fix everything tomorrow." But tomorrow stayed tomorrow. Ali's father often said, "Son, respect time." Ali smiled. He thought, "I'm young. Life is long." One day, Ali got a chance at a good job. The interview was at 9 a.m. He thought, 5 minutes late won't matter. He left late. Traffic slowed him down. Rain started falling. When he arrived, the door was closed. The interview was over. Ali stood there, silent, sweating, empty. For the first time, he felt the price of time. Months passed. No job, money problems, confidence fading. Then one day, his father fell seriously ill. Ali rushed to the hospital, but it was too late. The doctor said, "If you had come a little earlier." That sentence hit Ali's heart like an arrow. That day, Ali didn't cry. He just sat there, silent, thinking again and again, "If only I had come on time." The next morning, Ali made a promise to himself. Not a big promise, just one. "I will live in the time I have." He started waking up early, doing small tasks on time. No applause, no praise. But inside, he was changing. Slowly, life began to move. One small action, then another, all on time. Years later, Ali was successful. But now he said, "It wasn't success that changed me, it was time." Time teaches us, but first, it breaks us. It never comes back. It never forgives. Final message. If you are listening to this moment is in your hands, not tomorrow, today. Even 5 minutes can change your life if you respect them.